Right now, people are working to find families for 46 homeless dogs evacuated from Louisiana ahead of Hurricane Sally. The Humane Society of North Texas, ASPCA, and Wings of Rescue are working together to make this happen. It started with Louisiana shelter workers saving and caring for homeless pets after Hurricane Laura. With another hurricane approaching, they need to make room in shelters. The dogs will be available for adoption soon in North Texas. Contact the Humane Society of North Texas for details. Katie Johnston for CBS 11 News.